Welcome on Tokyo Room Finder. Today we present you our website and how to use it. First, you can choose the language, Japanese or English. You can search by keywords, if you spot a property on our social media, for example. Let's make a simulation. Here you can choose your property type, share house or private apartment. You can also choose no preference to see both. After, choose your area. They are all Japan's prefecture, but also the ward of Tokyo. For the simulation, we choose Shibuya. You can then choose a minimum price and a maximum price to fix your budget. You can check the box to see only the properties available right now. And search. You can now see the properties which fit your preference. Click on one of them. On this page, you have all the information about the property, many pictures, description with information like the price, the neighborhood, the station nearby, and so much more. You can see the localization on the map under the description. There is also a list of the station, near and the walking distance. And a list of the furniture inside the property and on each room for share house. You can check the price at the bottom of the page, with all the details like utilities, size and type of room. If you click on the name of the room, you can sometimes have extra photos. If you are interested by the property, you can make an inquiry through this link on the top. You will fill a form with your information, with which room you want, and get in touch with the owner to ask for a visit or to reserve. If you are not sure of your location, check out our map to see which area is the best for you. We also have an area guide to see what to do in each ward of Tokyo. You can also use the contact button for any other question. If you prefer to use your phone, our website works in the same way. You can sort by preference, see the picture, the description and the map. For the price, slide to the left to see the availability of a property. You can also search by keywords. If you are looking to move out, we will be happy to help you to find your perfect place. See you soon on Tokyo Room Finder.